With a tornado warning currently in place for Pearl River County. This goes until 9:30 Wednesday morning. Some areas like Picayune are within this warning, but Poplarville is not. So you can see this is a look at that red zone that is underneath that tornado warning, and those areas you do need to get to your safe shelter as we go through the next few minutes here. This is a current look at the first alert radar in those areas, and you can see there are some showers and thunderstorms that are continuing to move in from the south and west. And as we switch over to the new Hammond radar, you can see those showers continuing to move in toward the north and east, I should say. And again, those areas in the red box underneath that tornado warning. As we take a look at the inside of the storm to see where the rotation is, we use our first alert radar to do that. And this is a look at what we are seeing. Of course, making sure that we're using the new Hammond radar site, if that can be allowed. Okay, so there, now we've got a good eye on where that rotation is, and we plot the alert on there. And now let me circle it for you. So these are the areas that are currently seeing that rotation right about here. And so these areas are in Louisiana right now, near St. Tammany Parish and Washington Parish. And that's going to be moving off toward the north and east. We'll put this into motion a little bit, back it up, and then roll it forward. And so now we can see that it is moving this way. So if you are very close to Picayune, again, reminding you right now, you need to get to safe shelter. The radar always lags behind a little bit. So if you're watching right now, get to the safe shelter. We do also have meteorologist Aaron Colby in-house with a look at more information. Aaron, what can you tell us?
So like he just talked about, we are tracking an area of rotation. This is moving to the north and to the east. And so just west of Picayune, over Industrial, Mill Creek, those areas need to be getting to their safe places right now. This is fairly strong rotation here. You're seeing those reddish and those bluish colors fairly close to each other. So that's where we're seeing the strongest rotation at this time. And of course, we're tracking it as it is approaching Pearl River County. The far west and southern areas of the county are the areas that do need to be moving to their shelter right now. Of course, just to the west and just to the north of Picayune is where we are expecting this to pass through the area. And here's a look. Lots of lightning occurring now moving into Pearl River County. So if you're hearing a lot of lightning and thunder out there, that is a good indication you need to get moving to your safe place, because as you can see, based on the motion of that storm, right after where all of that lightning is where that rotation is currently occurring. Now, further into Pearl River County, still getting very heavy rain. Small hail is possible in portions of the storm that are currently in Pearl River County. So that's another thing we do have to watch for. This is a radar indicated storm. The tornado warning goes until 9:30 a.m. So we're going to continue to track it here. And radar indicated does mean that we do not have evidence of a tornado occurring at this time. We're just watching for rotation. So we're just keeping an eye, making sure that if this does form, we can alert you immediately. But as of right now, radar indicated tight rotation, possibly a tornado moving towards Pearl River County. And once again, we're expecting that to move just west of Picayune here within the next couple minutes. So please move to your safe place, and we'll just keep watching us. We're here to continue to update you as this continues to move into Pearl River County. Wesley, do we have anything else?
Yeah, so we've been watching the communication. Thank you, Aaron. We've been watching the communication channels with the National Weather Service. There's been no particular update from them on this warning, but we are still watching that tornado warning is still in progress for those areas in Pearl River County, including Picayune. Again, if you are watching from Picayune, now is the time. In fact, the time was actually about 3 minutes ago when we were already telling you to take shelter in the Picayune area as that area of rotation continues to move close to Picayune, moving in from Louisiana. We can again take a look at the inside of that storm with the rotation and show you exactly what's happening with that. As we again take a look at the Hammond, Louisiana radar to get some of the best view, I think, of that rotation.